Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mounting the polarizer securely to the lens and confirming the filter size. Once attached, compose your shot and set exposure manually or use aperture priority. This stabilizes readings. While looking through the viewfinder or live view, rotate the polarizer slowly to observe reflections and sky contrast change. Make small adjustments until unwanted glare reduces and color saturation increases. If shooting wide, make sure the hood clears the filter and the frame isn't darkened at the corners. Once you see the polarizing effect, fine-tune by rotating the ring to achieve the desired balance between reflections and color saturation. You're choosing how much light and reflection to remove. Because a polarizer reduces light, make sure to check and adjust exposure, raise ISO or open aperture, or add 1 to 2 stops of exposure compensation as needed. Continuously monitor the histogram and highlight warnings to preserve detail, and bracket shots if you're unsure about the correct exposure for the effect. You finish by locking the filter position if possible and recomposing for final framing, then focus and capture multiple frames to ensure consistency. Make sure to recheck white balance and sharpening camera or in post to counter softening. If you encounter issues like uneven sky polarization, color banding, or excessive darkening at the edges, stop rotating and reduce the polarizer's effect, switch to a thinner filter, or remove the polarizer and use alternative techniques such as a graduated ND or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.